Good morning, children. Today we are going to solve the questions of exercise 58 of chapter 14 Geometry. But before starting to solve the questions of this exercise, let us first understand what is a circle, and in a circle what is a radius, chord and diameter, and how can we find the same. What is an arc? What is a semicircle, and what is the circumference of a circle, and how can we find the same. So let us start by understanding what is a circle. A circle is a closed figure in which all the points on the circle are at the same distance from the center of the circle. For example, let us take any 3 points A, B and C on the circle and let O be the center of the circle. Then in this case, OA, OB and OC will all be of same distance. Now, what is a radius? The distance between the center of the circle and any point on the circle is called as the radius. Thus, each of the line segments OA, OB and OC represents a radius of the circle. The plural of radius is radii. All the radii of the circle are of equal length. Next is chord. A line segment that joins 2 points on a circle is called as a chord of the circle. In this figure, you can see AB and CD are 2 chords of the circle. Now, what is a diameter? Diameter is the longest chord, or you can say a chord that passes through the center of the circle. That is the diameter of the circle. Thus, in this figure, AB is the diameter. Diameter is the longest chord. It is the double of the radius. Half of the diameter is the radius and double of the radius is the diameter. Now let's understand what is an arc. Any part of the circle is called as an arc. Like here in this image you can see ACB. This is an arc. So whenever we name an arc, 2 are the endpoints and the third point lies between the 2 endpoints. So in this way we name an arc. Now let's move on and try to understand what is a semicircle. Half of a circle is called as a semicircle. Thus in this figure you can see ACB and ADB. These two are the 2 semicircles. This circle is divided into 2 halves. One half is ACB and the other half is ADB. So these are the 2 semicircles of this circle. And you can also say that a semicircle is also an arc of a circle. Now let's understand what is a circumference. The length of the boundary of a circle is called as the circumference of the circle. Now after understanding all these important points, let's move on and try to solve questions of exercise 58. Question number 1. Look at the adjoining figure and name part A all the radii shown in the circle. Now children, here first we have to see all the points which are lying on the circle. Like in this figure, the points lying on the circle are A, C, B, D, E and G. So for this circle, the radii are OA, OC, OB, OD, OE and OG. Part B. The diameters shown in the circle. So we all know the diameter is the longest chord that passes through the center. So in this figure we can clearly see that AB and CD are the 2 diameters of the circle. Part C. All the chords shown in the circle. So here the chords are AC, BD, AB and CD. These are the different chords of this circle. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Part A. Every point on a circle is at the same distance from the dash. So every point on a circle is at the same distance from the center of the circle. So here we will write center. Part B. All the radii of a circle are dash. So all the radii of a circle are equal. Here we will write equal. Part C. Diameter of a circle is dash of its radius. So we all know diameter of a circle is twice its radius, means 2 times of the radius. Part D, a diameter is the longest dash of a circle. So, a diameter is the longest chord of a circle which passes through the center. So, here we will write chord. Part E, the length of the boundary of a circle is called its dash. So, we all know that the length of the boundary of a circle is called its circumference. So, here we will write circumference. Children, make sure you write the correct spelling of circumference. Part E, state whether each of the following statements is true or false. Part A, a circle is a polygon. This is a false statement, as we all know that a polygon is a closed figure made of 3 or more line segments, whereas in a circle there is no line segment. So, this is a false statement. Part B, a circle has no vertex. This is true, as it is not a polygon, it has got no vertex. So, this is a true statement. Part C, a circle has only one diameter. This is a false statement. A circle can have many diameters passing through the center. So, this is a false statement. Part D, the chord of a circle can be longer than the diameter of a circle. This is also a false statement because diameter is the longest chord. So, this is also a false statement. Question number 4, a circle has a radius of 8 centimeter. How long is its diameter? As we all know that the diameter is the twice of the radius. So, we will multiply the radius with 2, and after multiplying the radius with 2, we will get 2 into 8, which is equal to 16. So, if the radius is 8 centimeter, then its diameter will be 16 centimeter long. Question number 5, a circle has a diameter of 10 centimeter. How long is its radius? Now, in this question, the diameter is given, which is equal to 10 centimeter. Now, as the radius is half of the diameter is 10 centimeter, we will divide it with 2. And after dividing 10 centimeter by 2, we will get 5 centimeter. So, if the diameter is 10 centimeter, the radius will be 5 centimeter. Question number 6. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter using compasses. Name its center as O. Draw and mark. Now children, here for this question, we have to draw a circle using a compass. You have to fix the pencil in the compass and open it in such a way that its needle is fixed at the 0 of the ruler and the pencil points at 4 centimeter. Then keeping the needle of the compass fixed at a point in your notebook, you have to freely rotate the pencil and draw a circle. The point of the needle will be the center of the circle, which we have to mark as O. Now let's move to part A, a radius OM. So for part A, we have to draw a radius OM. So we'll take a point M on the circle, and from the center we'll make a line segment to this point M, and we'll name it as OM. OM is the radius of this circle. Part B, a diameter XY. For this question, we will take 2 points X and Y on the circle in such a way that when we join these 2 points using a line segment, that line segment passes through the center of the circle. So this is the desired diameter XY for this circle. Let's move on to part C, a chord MN. For this question, we will take any 2 points M and N anywhere on the circle and join them using a line segment. This line segment MN is the desired chord. Question number 7. Draw a circle of radius 2.5 centimeter. Now just like question number 6, we have to fix the pencil in the compass and open the compass 2.5 centimeter wide. And then keeping the needle fixed on the paper, we'll freely rotate the pencil and draw the circle. Now this will be your circle of radius 2.5 centimeter. So children, in this way the explanation of exercise 58 is done. Hope you learned something new in today's class. If you liked the explanation, do give a thumbs up, and in case if you have any doubt related to this exercise, write the same in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. All the best children.